Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to set up a video campaign in Google Ads 2026. Video campaigns are excellent for engaging your audience, driving brand awareness, and increasing conversions. And today, I'll walk you through each step from choosing your video ads to targeting the right audience. Now, before we start, you have to log into your Google Ads account. And to do that, you're going to go and open your Google Ads dashboard by going to your Google Ads website. And then you're going to make sure to log in with your Google account and click Start Now. Once you click on Start Now, you're going to enter your business information. As you can see, the business name and the website, which is mandatory. So make sure to enter a valid website. And once you finish setting up your business phone number and your app download page, you're going to click on Next. Once you do that, you're going to select your campaign goal. You're going to choose a goal that aligns with video marketing brand. You can choose brand awareness like this. You're going to click on awareness and consideration, or products consideration work well also. After that, you're going to choose the campaign type. We're going to go to the campaign type area and select video as the campaign type. As you can see, there are search, performance max, display, shopping. We're going to click on the video right here. As you can see, it says reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions. We're going to click on video, this option right here, and click on continue. Once you do that, you're going to finish configuring the campaign settings by naming your campaign right here and choosing your budget and bidding strategy. For example, maximize conversions or target CPM, and set your location and languages. And then you're going to create your video ads by uploading your video to YouTube or use an existing video. And define your target audience. You can use the audience segments to reach users based on demographic, interests, or behaviors. And the seventh step is to set up the ad placement. You can choose where your video ads will appear, YouTube, partner sites, or apps, and adjust targeting to optimize the best performance. And that's how you set up a video campaign in Google Ads 2026. With the right video, content, and targeting, you'll capture attention and drive results. And that's it. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic.